Dax on the track.
I just cry, I just cry when I talk about the past. I just cry when I talk about my past. One day, my mother told me that she wanna take me to her father's place. I feel happy, it was so fantastic as I heard the sound come out from my mouth. I didn't know the granny was not good. She will destroy all my life. Yeah. I just cry when I talk about the past. I just cry.
Dax on the track.
I just cry when I talk about my past. Is that easy? I started lonely born to walk in city like every humankind. I didn't know what the cost of that. Till today, I don't know what it is. Sometimes I went to school with the empty stomach because of the granny. I was living by that time. She hurt me, it's like she don't see me. Living in this way, I don't know what I've done to this granny. This all I don't understand. Why my granny, why now? Yeah, why be on the mind? Oh yeah.
Dax on the track.